Good morning, Kyle Jacobson, Operations Section Chief with Team 4 on the Ridge Fire. Current fire acreage is 2,940 acres at 2% containment. Good news is we are slowly seeing increased containment. We'll move down to the map down in DP10 area right at the division break. You can see we have added a little bit of containment right along Flathead Road. You can also see we've added quite a bit of hand line going direct as we're moving to the west, and then we move into a little bit of dozer line, and we currently have hand crews at this H here indicating hand line, and these crews are continuing direct line construction in the north direction here. You do see this little spot right here. That is actually a separate fire. That was the Abbott fire, which was contained several days ago. We are still keeping our eyes on that fire. As we continue north towards the division break between Division Gulf and Division Alpha, we also have hand crews that have inserted off the 590 Echo Road, and right now they're working south, and then they'll continue working west and keep working south, eventually tying in with the crews that are here. This work is going to take quite a long time. It's going to be several days worth of work. It's really thick vegetation, spotty, fingery fire, really heavy canopy, so it's slow going, but the crews are making really good progress in this area and are going to continue with this direct plan. We're really happy with the progress they're making. As we move into the Division Gulf, Division Mike, kind of division break, yesterday we were able to get some heavy equipment in, make some access kind of into the fire area, and then what they're going to do is they're going to take an old 2-track road. They're going to open that road up. It kind of goes direct on the fire's edge a little ways, goes into the black, and then comes back out again. So we're going to open that up for access and then see what we can do with the heavy equipment to go as direct as possible on the fire's edge, and then we'll have to come back in with hand crews later and pick up the different areas that we weren't able to get with heavy equipment. But we are starting to kind of seal off these corners and start progressing towards the east a little bit. As we move further over into Division Whiskey and Division Mike, this area remains unstaffed. We are going to get some overhead resources in here to start scouting some roads and look at potential opportunities to pick up this eastern edge as we do free up resources. As we move far to the west on the contingency group, they are still continuing to work the shaded fuel break to the north a few more days, and we'll be getting to a point where we're going to have to start shifting equipment to continue this further north if we haven't been able to secure this edge by that point in time. Overall, crews are making great progress on the incident as we're expecting warmer, drier conditions over the next few days. We are preparing for those conditions and securing the fire as much as possible before the expected weather. Have a good day.